If you're a local clinic and you're interested in running meta ads, we're going to do a little short series on running meta ads, the campaigns you should set up, how you should set them up, and we're just going to go through that. The two campaigns that we are going to be setting up are impression campaigns and lead campaigns. So the two that we're going to be setting up, the reason behind this is the impression campaign is to build a warm audience and get in front of as many people as possible. When we have that warm audience built, people have started watching our videos, they know who we are, we can start to retarget those people and get those people, because warmer audiences tend to convert at a higher rate than cold audiences. If we're spending all of our money on this lead campaign, it costs a lot more money to actually get in front of these people. So that's why we're going to start with an impressions campaign, and then we're going to build up to this leads campaign. So we'll start with the impressions campaign, get in front of the audience, get in front of people, let Meta optimize, and then we'll create custom audiences. And then this is going to allow us to actually target these warm audiences, stay in front of them. And then when we are building out our actual lead generator and trying to get these people to convert, book patients, and this is where we're going to actually be able to get those people to convert. So that's going to be the topic of this short series. We're just going to go over impressions campaigns, building that campaign out, and then we're going to also go over leads campaign and building that one out. So that's what this little short series is going to be about.